I'm Anaiis Salles, and by now I hope that you're familiar with me and the 9EQ method that I'm sharing, which is based on my life's exploration of how it was that I managed to heal my own body of secondary infertility when I was 24, when I was told that wasn't possible. I just began asking a lot of really deep questions, and I began getting answers from within. And this is something that pretty much any human being is able to do. So let's talk about your origin story. This is the circumstances that you were born into and the relationships that your family developed. And were these healthy relationships? Were you heard, seen, valued, respected, and most of all, unconditionally loved? Most of us aren't. So if you've had a jealous mother who recognized beautiful energy in you that she could not see in herself or use for herself from herself, or you had an absent father who couldn't find his place in the family origin story, and why not? These are answers that can be discovered. And you know what? Your body has all the information and it has the truth. You just have to be invested in asking the right questions.